How to add song to your Instagram profile picture. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To begin with, you need to launch your Instagram application in your device. Now over here, if you want to add your song to your Instagram profile picture, there is a very quick and easy step to do so. For this, all you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom. From here at the very top, you will see the note icon. So instead of typing on the note, what we will do is we will add a music. So just tap on the note option. At the bottom, you will see this audio icon. You can click on it. Now you can browse through the option or search for the music of your own choice in the search bar as well. Just tap on the music. Then you can even search and select the verse of the music that you want to add to your profile. Once done, tap on the tick mark, then tap on share. Then whoever visits your profile, if they tap on over here, they will easily listen to the song that you added as an Instagram profile. And that wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.